Viewers, the latest news about Kenya-Somalia border dispute is that Kenya has refused to participate in a hearing at the World Court about a maritime boundary dispute with Somalia, our contested part of the Indian Ocean. In a dispute that has strained the neighbors' diplomatic relation. The case was filed in 2014 by Somalia at the International Court of Justice (ICJ). It was the United Nations highest court for disputes between states, and a decision could determine rights to exploit oil and gas in the deep waters of the East African coastline. Hearing when both sides were due to present arguments were scheduled for this week, but Kenya was not present in the first day on Monday in court or via video link. Viewers, Kenya informed the court by letter dated 11 March received 12 March that they would not participate. Presiding Judge John Donoghue said, but the court in the Hague would go ahead with hearing Somalia's case and would use written evidence provided by Kenya instead. On Sunday, Kenyan newspaper reported that the government in Nairobi had decided not to take part, citing perceived bias and unwillingness of the ICJ to accommodate requests for the delaying the hearing as a result of the pandemic. The Somalia side on Monday criticized Kenya moves. We are deeply concerned that Kenya has decided not to appear at these hearings, said Mehdi Mohammed. Opening Somalia's case, he said it was inconsistent with the rule of law and Kenya's commitment to the court. Kenya has no ground to complain about its treatment by the court after the ICJ granted 3 previous requests for delays that held up the case by 18 months, he added in his statement. In this letter, Kenya also reportedly urged that holding the ICJ hearing virtually did not allow it to present its case in the most effective way. The ICJ on Monday, however, dismissed Kenya's request for a 30-minute opportunity to orally address the court before the commencement of the actual hearing. So, this latest update about Somalia and Kenya dispute. Thanks for watching.